Hey guys, so in this video we will be building this Shopify store from start to finish. So if this is something you'd like to learn how to do, then watch this video. Okay, so first you'll need to set up a Shopify account. So if you just go to shopify.com/pricing, they offer a free trial and then it's $1 a month for 3 months. And then after those 3 months, after those 3 months, the basic plan starts at $50 Canadian. Okay, so once you have an account, you'll have a dashboard that looks like this, and then we can get started with setting up our store. So first, what we want to do is see what we have already. Okay, so we have just a basic layout, and they already include a top bar, your menus, and then your shopping cart menus over here, and then just some marketing layouts, and then the newsletter subscription box at the bottom. Okay, so we can look at other themes by going here into online store and then themes. Okay, so right now we have the Dawn theme, but we can look at these other free themes over here. Okay, so let's check out their theme store. Okay, so most of the themes are paid, but we can check out the free ones here. So just filter by free. Okay, so we can look over these themes and then it also shows you the features. Okay, so in this tutorial, let's do a skincare product website. So we can use this one over here. So we can just go to view the demo store. Okay, great. So it has a big image of the product. This could also be like a little video. Okay, and then a product slider and then just some marketing content down here. Okay, so if you like theme, then you can also check it out on mobile over here. So yeah, so this looks good as well. Everything is shrunk down to be easy to read on mobile. Okay, and then let's go to try theme. Okay, now it's going to add it to our store. Okay, and if we scroll down, we now have the theme here in our library. Okay, so now the theme is added. We can go over here into publish, and it says it will replace our current theme. So we'll click publish. Okay, and then now let's customize our website. Okay, great. So it has the same layout as the demo, but we'll have to incorporate our own images. Okay, so we can start with adding a logo, the menus. So that's all over here. Okay, so let's just start with this hero section. So we'll get a product of some skincare. And then let's just right here, glow up with our skincare magic. Okay, so next we'll add an image. So we can go over here to the sidebar and explore free images. And let's just do skincare. Okay, so we have a lot of images here that we can choose from. So let's just choose this one. Okay, so we have a bottle of our product. So that looks good. Okay, and then we'll add some products over here. And then let's just learn how to add a new section. So over here into sections, go back. Okay, so we'll add a new section over here. So under this section, we can add another section. So we'll click add section. And then these are the sections that Shopify offers out the box. So we can do just an image with text. Okay, so that'll appear right under, and then we can just talk about our product. So glow up skincare magic, and then just write up made with natural ingredients and FDA approved. So this is some good marketing, which will help with enticing people to buy our magic skincare products. Okay, and then the button label here, so we can just view product. So that'll link to the specific product page or collection. And then the image again, let's just pick another free image. So skincare. Okay, so yeah, let's just pick the first one up here and click select. So this is more like makeup, but I think it's fine. Okay, and then up in the header, we can update our logo positioning. So let's say the top left, but I like it in the center. So that looks a lot cleaner. And then you can also look at the website in different views over here. So we have the website in mobile and then desktop. Okay, so that's how we would set up our homepage. Let's click save. Okay, and then over here in the theme settings, we can update a logo. So if you have a logo, you can add that here. And then the favicon. So the favicon is the little icon up in your tabs on desktop. Okay, and then we can update the color scheme, but I like their default one over here. But you can choose the different color schemes, and then you can create your own color schemes as well. And then we have the fonts. So the fonts we can keep as default, but they offer a lot of fonts. Yeah, I like this font over here. So let's just switch it to that font. Okay, and then these are just for the spacings of the different elements. So you can go through that if you want to fine tune more of the spacing. Okay, and then over here you can add your social media links as well. Okay, and then down here in the footer, you can add an email sign up as well, but we already have one on the main homepage. So actually, let's just remove this section here. So I'll show you how to delete a section. So you would just click on the whole element and then go to remove section. So now we'll include the email sign up in the footer instead. And then you can also add payment icons at the bottom. So that'll show up once we set up payments. And then you can add in your policy links here. So once you have those set up as well, those will show up at the bottom. Okay, so I think our homepage is good. So we just need to add products and then we can set that up. Okay, so the image went away. So let's just re-add the image. Okay, and then we'll save that. Okay, and then let's view our website now. So we'll select the image and save. Let's go back to our admin panel and view our front page. Awesome, so this is our homepage right now, and you see it comes with some animations already by default. Okay, so now let's work on adding products and collections. So over here in the dashboard, what you want to do is go into products, and then we're going to click add product. Okay, so let's just put in a title. So premium skin magic, hair magic. Okay, and then just the status of your product, you can set it to draft or active. So we'll set it to active. And then these are the sales channels which you'd like it to be available to. So we'll just add it to all. So again, just add in a description. You also have the ability to add images here and videos, so you can do that as well in the description, but you can also add it through here, which will show up in a bigger element. So I would recommend adding it to media. Okay, and then we're gonna upload an image. So I'll upload the same image we have on the home page. Okay, and then over here, we can create new collections. So in terms of categories, it's saying it's cosmetics. These aren't really required in the beginning if you have a few products, but it helps if you have a big catalog just to keep your products organized, especially with tags and collections. Okay, so we'll create a collection and come back to this. But these are useful if you're setting up custom filters as well, as you'll be able to filter by different vendors and tags. So price, let's just set it for $19.99. And then you can track inventory as well. So let's just say we have 100 bottles. It's a physical product. So again, we need to set up the shipping as well after. Okay, and you can offer different variants in one product view, and it will set up different SKUs based on those variants. Okay, and click save. Okay, so now we can view our product. If we go here into preview, great. So this is how our individual product page will look like. And if we go back to the home page over here, it's now a featured product. So we can click into that, and then it links directly into our skincare product. Okay, so now I'm gonna create a collection. So go over here into your admin and collection. So they already set up the homepage collection. So that's for the featured products, I think. Okay, so we can create a collection. Let's do just skincare. And then you have it so that you can create automated or manual collections. So automated means you can automatically add products to this collection based on parameters. So again, with the tags, the title, the type. So we set up our skincare product to be under cosmetic. So we can create an automatic collection. So any products assigned a category of cosmetics will be automatically added to this collection. Okay, and then you can add in a custom banner for your collection, and then you can click save. Okay, and if we view our collection page, awesome. So we have our skincare collection here, and then this theme comes with default filters already. So you can search by availability and price. Okay, so back on our home page, we can connect this collection to the Shop Now button, and we can update the link to this button as there isn't any link products yet. So let's do that now. So back in the admin, go to online store. Okay, so back in online store, we want to click customize. And then over here in the button, we'll link this to our collection and then skincare. Then you can even update the labels to be more specific. So shop skincare. Okay, and then save that. And then down here at the bottom, we can just update this link and then OB to our Skincare Magic product. Okay, and then click save. Okay, awesome. So yeah, so we have the core front end done, as you have the home page, the collection page, and a product page. So you can also edit those individually here in the theme editor. So you can go over here into your product template, up in the products and default products. It's the same idea as when you're editing the home page. Each element you're able to edit. So say up here in the title, in this little text box, I don't want to show the vendor, so I can delete that. And then that's completely removed, so we can save that. And then in the collections, we can edit our collection view as well over here. So I didn't upload a banner, but if I did, it'll show up here instead of the title. And then over here with the grid, you can edit how many products per page. So this website has a small collection, so I would want each item to look bigger. Okay, so we'll do a 3-column grid, and let's say 12 products per page. Now I'll allow each product to be shown larger on desktop, and then on mobile, it's a 1-by-1 layout. Only 12 products will be shown per each page. Okay, and we can save that. Okay, great. So now let's edit the header and the footer. So you can edit your menus over here in navigation. Okay, so we have the main menu here. So you have the home, catalog, and contact. So I'll just edit this label to shop, as I think that's a better name for that link. So we can click save. Okay, and then I'll show you how to create new pages as well. So go into pages, and then let's create an about us page. So about us, and then we can add just a write-up. Magic Skincare was founded in 2021, and then just some gibberish, and then we can even add an image. So let's just add in an image. Okay, so we'll just add in this image over here. Yep, so that's just an example of a basic page, and then if we view it in our store, awesome. So this is our page. Of course, you'd write it up in more detail. Okay, so now we're gonna link it to our store, so we can click add to store navigation, and then go into our main menu, and then we can add in our about us page. So about, and then pages, about us, and go to add, and then we'll just add it after shop, save menu. Okay, so next we're gonna go here into preferences. So this is important for SEO as well, and then you're able to add in your marketing data over here. So connecting to Google Analytics and Facebook. Okay, so this is our homepage title. So this is important for ranking on Google. So we'll just write in our brand name. So Premium Skincare Magic. And then just a description. So it's saying here, enter a description to get a better ranking on Google. So again, you just write specific keywords which you're looking to rank for. So premium skincare would be a good keyword, but again, you want it to be like a paragraph, not just keywords. So Premium Skincare Magic is a high quality skincare brand in Canada, something like that. Okay, and then this is essentially when someone shares your link, your website link on social, this is what will pop up. So you can add that here. And then this is Google Analytics and your Facebook pixels. So setting up a Facebook shop, you'd need this, and running Facebook ads as well. Okay, so our store is in development, so that's why there's a password protection, but you can disable this by clicking this checkbox over here. Once you're ready to go live, you can remove your password protection. Okay, and then we'll click save. And then over here, we can set up blog posts as well. So this is again helpful for building a community and creating more pages which will appear on Google search engines. So again, the ability to get more organic traffic and build a community. So again, you can create a blog post which you can share to your socials. So this could be done through here. So we can create a post. So let's just say launch sale. We are launching a new collection on Valentine's Day. Use code BMINE24 for 20% off. Okay, and then we can save that. and then you would have to make the post visible. Great, and then we can view our posts over here. And then this is the post, and then this is the blog page. So we can link this to the menu as well, so people have access. So back into navigation, let's just link our blog page to the main menu. So blog posts, not blog posts, let's just do blogs and then news. Okay, so again, you can add that before contact. Okay, so let's view it on our store. So let's just refresh. Okay, so let's go over here into news. Awesome, so now our latest news are available here. And then we also have a default contact page. So you're able, any entries here would be sent to your email. So we just need to set up payments and shipping. Okay, and I'll show you over here how to set up the Be My discount code. So let's just do that. So it was an amount discount. Over here it was called Be Mine 24, and then a percentage discount, 20%. Okay, no minimum purchase requirement, and then any customer, and then only limited to 1 time per customer. And then we can click save discount. Yeah, and then the active dates as well. So you can just set a start date and end date over here. Okay, but we'll just disable it manually. And then this code is now active, and you'll see the details of your discount here, and then the amount of times it was used. Okay, and then they also have some marketing metrics as well as analytics about the store. And this is where you would upload your files here, and then your customer data will be found over here. And of course, most important is your orders. So that would be displayed here, but it'll also be displayed here in the home dashboard once you have the site launched. Okay, so now we'll go into our store settings. Okay, so you can edit your currencies over here, your default currencies. So first we'll need to set up our store location. Yeah, so you just add your shop location here. Okay, so I don't have a store for this website, so I won't be able to verify the address. So you can just add in your store details here. So after that, you would have to set up your taxes as well, depending on your location. Okay, and then after that, you can set up Shopify Payments. So in order to activate this, okay, so you'll have to go through this verification process. So again, it's just going over what type of business you are, and then you just have to connect your business bank account, and then that'll allow you to take payments. And you can also add PayPal as well. So once you have Shopify Payments installed, you'll be able to accept all these forms of payments, and you can also choose which payments you'd like to accept. So you can edit that over here. Yeah, and then for the shop payment descriptor, just make sure it's your business name. So say Premium Skincare Magic, and then click save. Oops, so it's a bit too long, so let's just do Premium Skincare. Well, this is still too long as well. And then it's saying I need to add a phone number, so let's just do 1234, then click save. So we also have a test mode, which you can do testing on your payments as well, and then you can also switch to a third-party provider. So these are the other payment providers they have available. Sticking with Shopify Payments would be best when starting off. And checkouts is another important setting, so you're able to customize your checkout process here. Yep, so this is how it looks like on mobile and desktop once you place an order. So again, you're able to update the logos. So it's the same as the homepage process, and then the layouts as well. So this one's just a one-page checkout, and that's what they recommend. So you can just update the colors here and logos if needed. Okay, so we can exit this. And again, back here in checkout, you can determine the information that you require. So just keep everything here by default, as well as some marketing options. So if you want them to sign up for email or SMS marketing, you have some tipping options, as well as options for order processing, and then the abandoned cart checkout email. You can set that up here as well. And then this is for marketing campaigns. So say with Google ads or Facebook ads, they require some scripts at checkout to verify conversions. So that'll go over here. Okay, and then lastly, let's go over shipping and delivery. Okay, so what you want to do is go here into shipping delivery and then general shipping. And then these would be your rates for within Canada. Okay, so these ones are for Canada Post. So with Shopify, they offer automated shipping. So it'll give you rates based on that postal service offers. So again, you'll have to create an account for your postal service that you're planning to use, and then you'll be able to get automated shipping rates. Okay, but if you want to create, say, custom rates, what you can do is go here into add rate, and then you can set up your own rates over here. Again, so it's based on weight. You can set that up over here, and then you can edit these rates over here as well. So these are just some default rates that is included in Shopify. And then over here, if you go to create zones, you can create shipping zones for other countries. Okay, so these zones are already available here. So we have US as well, but I'm only shipping in Canada, so we can delete this zone. And then again, international, you can delete it here as well. And then again, you can add your own rates here as well for international shipping. Just delete that here, and then we can click save. Okay, great. And then also you want to check out your shipping settings over here. And then you can create custom shipping rates for certain products over here. So say if you have fragile products or heavier products, then you can create a new shipping profile. Okay, and then they also can also set up local delivery and local pickup over here. And then what's important is creating accurate packages, which you'll be shipping your products with, as this will allow your customers to know the size of the packaging, as well as it'll help with it determining the correct, it'll help with calculating the correct shipping based on the package dimensions. And again, over here with Shopify shipping, they offer automated shipping with Canada Post and UPS. And then again, you can connect your own carrier accounts here. And then you can edit your packing slips, and you can edit the template over here. Okay, so yeah, this looks scary, but if you just preview the template, you'll be able to see it. Yep, so this is just how the packing slip will look like. Okay, great. So next you can work on connecting a domain. So over here, you can buy a domain from Shopify or connect an existing domain. So once you're ready for launch, then you'll need to purchase a new domain just so you're not on the branded Shopify domain. So you can do that here, and then it'll automatically connect it automatically if you purchase your domain from Shopify. Okay, and then you can also do language translations. So if you're doing international orders, then you can set up translations here under languages, and then policies is important as well. Yeah, so this is important so customers know all about your terms of service as well as your shipping policies. So you want to make sure that you provide all the necessary information to your customers. Yeah, so you can set up your refund and return policy over here. So we can turn that on, and then you can update your return policy over here directly. Okay, great. So you went over just the core functionality of what Shopify has to offer out the box, but you can expand the functionality even further with apps. So over here, if you click into apps, we can look at their recommended apps. And then there's a lot of apps that they offer. So you can do more in-depth email marketing, setting up product reviews, integrating Instagram feed. So if we look over here, you can also add other channels like Pinterest, TikTok, Facebook, and Google. So that's available through connecting their app. So again, with any kind of functionality you're looking to add to your Shopify store, it will be available here through the App Store. So great, this is our final store, which we were able to come up with our time together. So let's just run through a quick demo so we can add to cart, and then view our cart. And let's remove one product and then check out. Great, so we can make a payment, but again, I didn't register for Shopify Payments, so this won't go through. But great, so we have our full shopping process ready to go. So this concludes the end of the video. I hope you were able to set up a Shopify store by following this tutorial. If you're looking for help with your Shopify store, then you can check out my website, mapalitmedia.ca, to have me and my team set up a Shopify store on your behalf. Please like and subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks.